Hey guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today I want to talk about taking care of your curry plant in winters. Curry plant is basically a tropical plant and it likes warm weather. And now it is already fall, and in winters they just go dormant, and sometimes they just die if you leave them outside. And depending on how much cold it is where you live, I am in USDA zone 9, and still, if I leave them outside in open field, then they'll probably die. So there are three, four things you can do. First of all, if possible, move them inside where they get some direct sun. So if you can put them near some window where they get a lot of direct sun, that will be the best way to save them. If they are in the planters, then it's not that difficult if you have space. The second thing you can do, if it is not possible to move them inside, find some trees, some big trees, and put them under those trees, and put them in an area where they get south sun, but then at night they are protected with the trees. So that is another way of saving them. And if you leave your plants outside, then you should definitely do mulching here. Either put dry leaves, or you can put wood chips, or if you have some dry hay, that's what you want to put around it. A big thick layer. Just fill this whole thing up, the planter. That will protect the roots, and that's how you protect the plants. They may still drop some leaves, but that's fine, at least the roots will be protected. The third option is to use a garden tent. If you have a white colored or see-through garden tent, you can move all the plants that don't like winters that much in that tent. So because it is white or see-through, the sunlight will go inside in the daytime and keep the plants warm, and at night, because of the cover, they'll be protected. And one more thing you need to do is to take care of these seeds. So if you have a curry plant which is like 2 3 years old, they start to produce these seeds. So curry plant is one of those plants for which you don't need to dry the seeds. When the seeds turn black like these ones, you just pick them and plant them. So if you look at these seeds, so this one is reddish, this one is green and reddish. So these are not ready, but these black ones, they are ready. So here are the seeds that I have taken out. And what you need to do is that you take a seed and you gently peel away this black skin, and then a big seed comes out. So you peel these and put them in water for a couple of hours like this. So these seeds have been soaked for a couple of hours and they are now properly hydrated. So that is the whole purpose. So now we are going to plant them. So I have this seedling planter in which I have put general purpose soil mix. It has, mostly compost and coco peat and little bit of perlite. So compost is for nutrition, coco peat is to keep the soil moist for a long time, and perlite is for good drainage. So I'm just going to make about an inch deep hole and just put one seed in each pod here. And these seeds are big, so they are easy to handle. Now I'm just going to cover it with more soil. So now I'm going to water them thoroughly, because for seeds to germinate they need warmth and moisture. So I'm going to water it, and then I'm going to take it inside and keep it at a warm place, so that the seeds germinate faster. And they'll take probably 4 to 5 weeks to germinate, but I'll keep you posted. And while they are inside, I'll keep misting it every day to make sure that the soil stays moist. It's been 4 weeks, and as you can see, that two of the seeds grew. And this planter has been sitting inside, and I mist it every day or whenever the soil is kind of dry. But I'm hopeful that more seeds will grow. Although, the curry seeds are difficult to grow. So if even two grew, that's pretty good. But I'm pretty hopeful that more will grow. So to recap, you can move your planters inside in a sunny area, or you can put them under the tree outside where they get a lot of sun in the daytime, but they are protected at night. Or you can put them in your garden tent. That is how you save your plants. And definitely, if they are outside, then do the mulching so that the roots are protected over the winters. And if you see any mature seeds on the plant, pick them, peel them, and then put them in soil and keep the soil moist and warm. And so, hopefully, inside. And in 4 to 5 weeks, they'll start to grow. And in the next season, you'll have many more plants. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.